Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to move an email to a folder in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app on your computer. Once it launches, log into your account if you haven't already. This will load all your emails and folders so you can start organizing your inbox. Just give it a moment to fully load everything, especially if you have a lot of emails coming in. Now that your emails have loaded, you'll want to navigate to your inbox pane. This is the main area on the left side of your screen where all your emails and existing folders are displayed. This is where you'll find the email you want to move and all the folders you've created for organizing your messages. Next, look through your inbox and locate the specific email you want to move to a folder. Take your time here to find the right one, especially if you have a lot of messages. Once you've found the email you're looking for, right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with several options for managing that email. From the context menu that appears, hover your cursor over the option labeled Move. When you do this, the menu will expand to the right, presenting you with all the available folders in your Outlook account. These are the folders where you can move your email to keep things organized. You'll see all your existing folders listed here, whether they're folders you created yourself or default folders that come with Outlook. Simply select the folder you want from this list by clicking on it. The email will immediately be moved to that folder, removing it from your inbox and placing it exactly where you want it. This helps keep your inbox clean and makes it much easier to find important emails later when you need them. And that's it. You've successfully moved an email to a folder in Outlook, making your inbox more organized and efficient. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.